Hey YouTube, welcome to Papa's Place. This is Papa, and today we're going to do a part 2 review, kind of, on the Lee Quick Trim Deluxe setup case trimmer. And last time we did the review, we did it on the manual of the crank handle. In fact, here's the crank handle. And now we're going to do it on the new drive unit. What this allows you to do is insert this cutter into a drill or an impact driver. And there you go. Just like on the other one, this is your case length adjustment. All the way this way is as long as it goes. I can't remember the exact measurement, and this is as short as it goes. I found that when I set for the longest length, that it cuts right to the correct case length. And all you do, Lee says to take the die, put it into your press, and screw it all the way down. And the reason you screw it all the way down is so that when you raise the ram up on your press, that the handle won't have to go all the way down to the bottom. And you just don't have to bend over so far or reach so far. One of the things I found is that once it's in place, when I start with this drill, is to get it going and then slowly lower it down. If you drop it down too fast, the cutting blades grab hold of the brass and spin it. Inside the die is an O-ring, and that's what keeps the brass from spinning. If you put too much force on it too fast, it will spin inside that O-ring, and that's not a good thing. So you want to slowly advance it down, and it actually does a really pretty good job. The other thing I found is that about maybe every 10 cases or so is to pull this all the way out and tap it, knock the brass shavings off, and blow out the brass from inside the die. It just makes things flow better. So that's it. Instead of using a drill, you can also use one of those cheap little $10 electric screwdrivers, because you don't want to really have this thing set to the highest speed. A slow speed is fine, and you'll find that I just switched it back to the slow speed on this drill. It was on high speed. It just does a better job of cutting. So here we go. I can't do anything else. Lift it up. Take the brass out. Nice and clean, ready to go. And you can do this pretty quick. And there you go. .360, right on the money. So there it is. You can get this whole unit here from online from different sources, and I think with the power adapter, this and your blades, it was like $19. The die, I think, are like $8 or $9 each. Each case is, you have to get a specific die for each case. I've got the 223 and the 300 blackout. I really like this power drive a lot better than the hand crank. Just a day and night difference. So, trying to think what else I was going to tell you. I think that's about it. So, any comments, questions, post them down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. It helps. I think that's it. Remember, YouTube, keep smiling. It makes people wonder where you've been up to, or where you've been up to. Makes people wonder what you've been up to. Take care. Bye.